This is a little leaf pattern that's great for these little like fill areas. My fabrics aren't something that you can get just anywhere. They're very special, and I think that my clients or customer, they see that. You know, the fabric is expensive. It's because it's made locally in Sonoma County by me and my assistant. This handmade, hand-printed, hand-dyed little jewels. So I'm not trying to repeat something exactly. In fact, in my work, there's no repeat. It's done 1 yard at a time. About 3 years ago, I met Avner, the owner of Salon Miyasato, and he had heard about my fabrics from a mutual friend, and he was intrigued, and he came over to the studio, and he got it right away, and he said, I want these fabrics in my showroom, and you know, is this something that you can do? And again, sort of having more guts and brains, I said, sure. So they sell pieces that are made from my fabrics right off the showroom floor, and then designers come in, will look through the batons and see the various color and pattern ways. The 3 collections are broken up by ground cloth. So there's the silk rayon velvet collection, which is great for like drapes, pillows, bedclothes, yummy blankets. And then there's a cotton velvet collection that is excellent for upholstery, so like for covering sofas and chairs. And then there is the Belgium linen fabric that is great also for upholstery, and flax linen, sort of the original eco fabrics, and it's fabulous to work with. We print these all by hand. We'll find a good spot for the block and press it into the fabric. And voila. Well, the 2 main processes that I'm using right now are Japanese wood block that we've adapted and shibori. Shibori is a process of folding and dyeing fabric that started in Japan in the 8th century. And traditionally, you would use bamboo poles and fold and sew fabric over these cylindrical forms. And over the years, I've adapted these techniques, and we've substituted various armatures instead of bamboo to achieve slightly different results, and also use larger quantities of fabric at one time. I have a lot of reverie for the ancient processes and techniques, and woodblock printing goes so far back. So if I'm doing a floral print like the peony print, there may be in the corner of a block a leaf that's coming out a little bit to the left. It's sort of like a puzzle, and then the next one might come in where there's like a stem that's coming to the right, so they're kind of interlock in a way. And that's what I love about the hand printing. You look at it, and I feel like there's so much life in it. Yes, I do custom work, and I love custom work. Because I do my own wood block printing and wood block designing, anyone can come in and say, you could come in and want to do this incredibly ornate family crest with leaf patterns and floral design, and it's something that we could come up with together, and it would be uniquely yours. I thrive on those custom projects, and I love to see what then somebody's going to do with that.